Alright, so hopefully now you've just watched the video about how to set up your math, how I want you to set it up every day, skip lines in between each one. Hopefully you've done all that, and now you have your completed assignment. Okay, so you're going to take your completed assignment, and you're going to go over to the correcting corner, and you're going to double check that I'll have it laid out for you, but that you have the right answer page, the right worksheet with what you're correcting. Okay, and I noticed that my answer key also says copy on loose leaf on the bottom, so I have the right one. All right, so I'm going to take a look, and I'm going to start with number 1, and I'm going to look 7,000, so I find my answer circled really easy, 7,115. Good. If you want to, give yourself a star, otherwise you don't have to mark it at all. Okay, then I'm going to go to number 2, 4,635. All right, that matches up. Number 3, 14,893. That looks good. Number 4, I have 3,569. That's correct. What did I forget to do here? I forgot to circle it, so that's fine. I'll just circle it in pen. In the future, it's probably because I didn't have to write another one down below, but in the future, just trying to remember to circle it every time so it's nice and easy, whether I'm correcting it myself or whether I'm giving it to Ms. Sir to correct. Number 5. Uh-oh. The answer key says 2,878. I'm off by one number right here. So I'm going to look and I'm going to say, oh, okay, it's wrong. I'm going to put a mark through it. Now I want to know, what did I do wrong in number 5? So let's see. 12 minus 4, that's 8. 10 minus 3, that's 7. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. I don't get it. How did I get a 2 right here? Well, I'm going to go back. I'm going to look at my problem. And you know what? Guess what I did? This 5, hopefully you didn't do this, should actually be a 6. So I wrote the problem down wrong. Now, because it was a silly mistake, I only had half my problem wrong. I am going to write minus 1/2. Okay? So when I, Miss Sir, grade your paper, I would only take off half a point per one like that. Because you should have known what to do. I trust that you know how to subtract. You got the right answer, but you know, we gotta be really careful. Okay, that means I only get half of the points that I really could have earned on this problem. So it's just a reminder, we need to go slow on these. Okay, number 6, 3,746. Yep, got that one. Then I need to move my paper down. Number 7, 6,423. That looks good. Number 8 is 4. The answer is just 4. Okay, I clearly did something wrong because I had 2,000 and I was supposed to get 4. So right away I look at this. You know what? I added. What was I supposed to do? I was supposed to subtract. So it's still wrong because, again, I was careless and I made a careless error. So I'm going to write minus 1/2. Okay, and then when I do that, the answer should have been 4 because I should have subtracted. Okay, now I'm going to look at them. And I'm going to count out how many problems there were. There was 1, 2, 3. This is easy because they're numbered. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 6. I'm going to go ahead and write my 8 on the bottom. Okay, just like a fraction, that's how many there were total. And I had 6 whole points, and then I had 1/2 point and 1/2 point, which together make a whole point. So I had 7 out of 8, or minus 1. Okay, now if you want to know what that is as a percent, it's really easy. You can take out your calculator now for this part. Now remember, if I see, if you turn in your paper to me and I don't see that you showed any work and all you have is answers, you're going to have to redo the assignment during the test lecture, and I'm going to watch you because you have to show me your work. That's what this assignment is all about. Okay, so make sure that you're not cheating and using a calculator. But when you get to this part, plus 7 out of 8 to figure out your percent, you're just simply going to take your calculator and type in 7 divided by 8. Okay? It's 0.857. Okay? Is that a percent? No, percents are always out of 100. So I'm going to go to that 100th spot, move the decimal 2 spots over, and so that would be an 85.7%, or I might just write 85. It could round up to 86, but it'll depend on all your other assignments as to whether it would actually round up. But that's how you would find that. And 85, look, that's already in the 80s, which means that we actually got a B. And I think I was probably deserving of an A, but I made a couple of careless mistakes. So we're just going to work hard this year to make sure that we don't make any silly mistakes like that. All right? And I will be looking over your correcting, but this is just to give you an idea of how to correct your papers.